Morning, friends. We are outside this morning just taking care of the animals. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of our property and other things we do around the farm. And thanks so much for being here. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and commenting on these videos. That helps me to create more videos. So I thank you so much. And it's a beautiful day in California. It's been like so sunny and it's been so nice outside. It's been like almost 85 degrees. Yesterday was 84. This is Stevie. Oh, say hi, baby. Say hi. You're the cutest. This is Stevie, my youngest. I love you. I love you. He hates being inside in the morning, so we're all outside this morning. There's water in here. That's cool. John holding on to mommy. Water. Yeah. Okay. Stephanie. So many things. Oh my god. Get the white one too, please. I gotta wash them. Thank you. Jade. This is why we plant a bunch of cactuses, because the chickens will eat them. Cactus garden. Okay. Did something on Facebook, under Facebook Marketplace, for people who want to drop off pumpkins or old food, and you'll be surprised how many people answered, and they will drop them off even. So our chickens are thriving right now. But yeah, this is some wood. We still need to use. We're gonna use it for. There's like a tree house right there, and he's gonna put an addition to the tree house. We're working on this gate. We're trying to do an electric gate, but husband's taking forever for that. So hopefully soon. Oh my goodness. And he blocked me in with his tractor. I think I can still back up though. We're going out this morning. We're gonna go to a coffee shop with some friends, take some mommy and me pictures. But yeah, this is our front. And then right here, there's our rosemary. And I actually sell rosemary on Etsy. For all of you guys who are interested, rosemary sprigs. Then I also sell lavender, which is up there. And then I sell olive branches, which are up there too. There's another olive branch tree up there too. The pigeons are flying this morning. Good morning. And then what? He's so cute. We're gonna use that wood to make like a deck for this tree house, right, Johnny?
Underneath, yeah.
Underneath? So, can you show us how it's gonna be?
be a deck over here. Cut some of these trees.
You're gonna cut the
Go out
trees?
to there with some steps going up. And so this will be a big seating area.
Oh,
here.
no way.
And then we'll have it'll kind of attach to the tree house up there. And then we'll have like a ladder, probably an intermediate platform for the kiddos.
Nice. That's so cool. That's so cool. These are the goatees here. This is our laundry room here for the Airbnb. Okay. Lights on. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, wow. These are like the couch cushions. The cleaning lady wanted me to do today, to put them on today because they didn't dry completely yesterday. Hi guys. Yeah, so I do this every time after I should be doing it more often honestly, but it's just we have a lot of laundry of our own, so this is like an additional task, you know. In addition to our laundry, I have to change the Airbnb laundry, so it comes along with a lot. But yeah, that's what my duty is. Josh, Stevie. Stefanello. Okay, let's turn this puppy up. 50. Ah, where's the button? Okay, we'll just come back to do this later. Check-in's not till 2 or 3, so it's fine. This is where we got married, and we just got it ready for in case other people want to use it, you know. We don't have it advertised yet, but yeah, this is, we don't have, where we got married is where we used my father-in-law's house, and in the back of his house we did the food. So we don't know what we're gonna do this time for food, like what area we're gonna use it for the food part. But this is the ceremony part, and the lights are on at night. It's beautiful and gorgeous. I'll show you guys a picture, a video of the night time. But yeah, this is where we got married. And then we have a little fountain in the water right here. And the tree's like close to 600 years old, which is incredible. It's like crazy tree. It's a beautiful tree.
You know what they do? Now they barely come.
What happened? What happened? So dark. Like where? Oh, there's the door. Who's here? months old. 6 months old! This is my husband building a pigeon tower. We're using the tractor, and my son is helping him, of course. He loves the tractor as well. My husband calls his pigeon tower the power... What do you call it? The power? The power? The pigeon tower of power? The power of... What do you call it? We call it the Pigeon Tower of Power. I'm not sure why it took me so long to actually say that. Wow, Steven! You're standing! Oh, so fast. You're so strong, Stevie boy. Bye bye. They're huge. Turkey vultures. Oh yeah, I could see that. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh my god, that's crazy. Wow, they're huge.
8 or 9 feet long or something like that.
Wow, that's crazy. I can't believe it. They smell your grain bin. I haven't seen it. There. Tell me where is my sweater on these 5 acres? Because it's like warm but also cold at the same time.
Yeah, the wind is kind of cold.
Yeah, it is windy, huh? I noticed that yesterday too. I was like, why is it so windy? In the afternoon especially, right? Fine, fine. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate every subscribe, like, and comment on every video. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. We will be posting weekly vlogs and short videos on motherhood and also life here on the farm. As you can tell, we have a lot of animals and birds, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. This is Rio, our doggy, and we love to sit in the sun and just explore and relax. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.